It's that time of the year again. I have a cold. It feels super serious. Not as bad as the year my 2-year-old literally sneezed in my mouth, but close. My wife walks up to me and is like, build this before the Ottoman. So I'm like, I'm really sick. I might die. And she's like, you have a man cold. You'll be fine. But this doesn't feel fine. Today, I build the man cold Ottoman.
God bless you.
Thank you. Table. Trademark. Wrong drawer, DIY dork. Rude. I need a tape measure, chalk, and a square. We're gonna cut this 200-year-old white oak into 3 pieces. Take it over to the miter saw, slide it on your mark, and make the cut. These aren't the final sizes, but they'll make working with the wood much easier. Back to the workbench, joint with a hand plane. This board is slightly twisted. In order to get rid of that, we're going to need a shim hot glue gun. The power of your mother's glue gun compels me! Be gone, twisted wood. A couple passes through the planer should flatten that right out. This part always seems like magic, leading me to the conclusion that woodworking is actually just magic and muscles. Magic muscles. Set the fence, ghetto clamp engaged, reach around, dust collection power, activated, saw power all systems go, 45-degree miter cut, clear for takeoff. Domino joiner. Forgetting something? Vacuum. I can't reach. Just use your foot. Okay. 3 dominoes per side, glue, and you. This is way cooler in my head. Think of the confetti jiff me, but with dominoes. We'll get it next time. That's probably a lie. Liberally apply wood glue, spread it around, whack it with a mallet, and attach the legs to the top. This Ottoman table will have a waterfall edge effect, where the wood grain of the top leads into the grain of the sides. Like a waterfall. Wait a second. It's not like a waterfall at all. Giving it a micro 45-degree chamfer, just to take the edge off a little bit. And finally, I can go back to binge watching Virgin River, a place with surprisingly very few virgins. Maybe something's in the river causing this. Or maybe they're just all a bunch of sluts. If you're thinking about doing it yourself, don't. Do it yourself with me. Do it yourself with Rick.